Hello my reading friends and welcome to Reading Oxford. If you like reading stories with me, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Are you ready for a story? Well, today we are going to be reading a book about Sue Kangaroo. This is school. And this is Sue. And this is Mummy Kangaroo. Teacher's name is Mrs. Drew. She says hello to Mum and Sue. "This is Sue," said Mrs. Drew. "Do be kind to her. She's new." "Time to paint," says Mrs. Drew. Sue says, "I like red and blue." "Time to glue," said Mrs. Drew. Sue can glue a kangaroo. "Dinner time," says Mrs. Drew. "This is a yummy stew," says Sue. "Music time." "Can I play the spoons?" says Sue. "Doot doot, boom boom." "Home time," says Mrs. Drew. "But what is in your pocket, Sue?" Sue takes out a tube of glue. She takes some spoons and paint out too. "The school has rules," said Mrs. Drew. "You can't take those things home with you." Sue is sad. "Don't cry," said Prue. "Play with them tomorrow, Sue." "Is there school tomorrow too?" "Is that true? Hooray!" says Sue. Here is Mummy Kangaroo. "Hi, Mum. School is cool," says Sue. So I think that was all for Sue Kangaroo. And Sue did cry, but then she realised she can go to school tomorrow and she'll have so much more fun with those items and meet some new friends. What do you think about this book? Please let me know in the comment section down below, and also never forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Bye guys!